Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your Samsonite spinner 3-digit combination lock. The first thing you do is you have to lift up the lever, and then you'll see a red sort of setting up mechanism. You pull that down, as you can see explained. Once you've done this, this gives you the parameters for setting up your actual combination, which is your choice. So what you do now, you set up your combination digits you wish to have your case on.
So 1, 1, 1.
So 1, 1, 1 is your lock. So this will lock your case when you want it to be locked. So now you then go on the other side and you put that lever in the up position. That's it, in the up position. As you can see. Let me just show you clearly how it is. That's in the up position, how it was originally, right? Now you close down the lever and you lose the numbers. You just lose the numbers on here and that case will be locked. Try and open it, Laura. Just a demonstration. You can't open it.
It's locked.
It's locked. Now to open your lock, you put in 1, 1, 1. Go on, Laura.
1, 1.
1, 1, 1, and your case should open. And here you are. Very simple. So if you have any problems, just send me a message, but it should be clear from here how to set your locks up for the Samsonite secure spinner. I hope you enjoy, and please do subscribe if you want more information, and I hope you solve your problems with your Samsonite secure spinner case.